Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a Can-Am Commander XTP 1000. This video is to discuss the side mirror kit from Can-Am. What do we love about this kit? Well, everything. It works really good on the Commanders as well as the sports and the trail models. Why does it work so well? How it mounts, okay? This is very specific for this machine. As you see, you got a couple bolts there, nice mounting bracket. The mirror itself does fold in and out of the way. You've got the ability as you smack a tree, pulling in somewhere tight, you can move that mirror in. Also, the glass is adjustable. You can take your thumbs and rotate it around, move it wherever you want. Now, here's a tip for you. If you're primarily the driver of the vehicle and you're not moving the glass around a lot, what you can do is take a flat blade screwdriver, pop this cover off, and right there's a set screw that will firm up that glass, okay? Once you firm it up, it's gonna keep it from jiggling a little bit, but you're not gonna be able to move the glass with your fingers. So be sure to not over tighten. Absolutely good looks from Can-Am. It matches the vehicle very, very well. Part number 715-003-639. Have a good day, everybody.